Once again, WKU is leading the way in sustainability practices, going from composting 2,000 pounds of solid waste in a month to 1,400 pounds in a day. It's all because of an impressive machine known as a cow.
This thing can handle up to 500 pounds of waste per day, which is amazing.
This thing is called a cow, which stands for Composting Organic Waste. It's the brainchild of Brian Poitras, who works for CGS Machine and Tool.
The bottom line is we're going to save money, we're going to save the environment, and that's what I'm trying to do. I just love working with the compost.
Whether it's coffee grounds from Starbucks or food left over from Subway or DSU, it's brought here to the Baker Arboretum 5 times a week for composting.
Basically takes waste from all the facilities at Western and combined with cardboard, creates a beautiful compost that you can use around your trees or anything.
This custom-built, locally manufactured in-vessel digester was made possible through a grant.
The Kentucky Pride Composting Grant was to fund projects to expand existing composting operations. So we expanded from 1 location to include all 15 dining locations on campus.
The Baker Arboretum was more than willing to get in on the partnership.
We're in the business of compost and wood chips, and so it works for us really well. We have a ready source of material from which to build landscape beds, and we have built landscape beds from them.
And other universities are expressing interest in getting a cow on their own campuses, following WKU's lead in reducing the solid waste bill.
That waste could be going to a landfill or somewhere else, but it's coming in here, it's coming out and making good compost.
Throughout the summer, pre-consumer food waste is being picked up from Starbucks, DSU, Chili's, Subway, and catering. This fall, it will be picked up from all 15 of WKU's dining locations. With this week's View from the Hill, I'm Amy Bingham.